Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on Bluetooth section right away. Now tap on this gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. Select Allow in the pop-up and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, tap on Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. But you can always disconnect them by choosing this gear next to connected device and tapping on Unpair at the bottom. To connect to it again, click on it and tap on Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!